Here's how to check if your TV remote is paired or not. So the first thing that you're going to do is to of course get your remote control and go to the television that you have. The first step for us to be able to see if it is paired is go ahead and press on the power button. Now, if you see that the television has been turned on when you press the power button on your remote control, it only means that your remote control has been successfully paired to your television. Now let's go ahead and press the other buttons to the remote control. Now as you can see, if you press the home button, you will be redirected to the main dashboard of the television. Now you can go ahead and switch it to left and right depending on what application that you wanted to actually select. And that's it. Your remote has been completely working and it has been paired to your television. Make sure that the remote that you are going to use has a batteries on it because sometimes if there's no batteries, it will not work on your end.